So today we're in InDesign and we're going to be setting up a multiple page document. In our case, it is going to be a book and it is going to be 4 inches wide by 5 inches high. I'm going to go through this with you. We're also going to do 16 pages. So I'm going to go up to File up at the top, go to New. I could also press Command N to create a new document. Here comes the dialog box, the new document dialog box, and what we're going to do is we are going to insert our specs. So for this particular book, we are going to make it 4 inches in width, 5 inches high. Okay. I know that my book is going to be 16 pages. I'll type that in there, and I'm also going to make sure that facing pages is selected. When we're doing a multiple page document, such as a book, we need facing pages so that they open up together as a spread. So you'll have your left page and your right page together. So we're going to select that. We're going to leave these blank. I'm going to go down to my columns. I'm actually going to leave this as one column for right now. And I'm going to leave my margins as is right now too, because we'll go through that in another video, setting up our margins. Our bleeds though, for this particular book, I am not going to have bleeds on it. I know that I'm not going to have anything bleed off the edge, but if you did choose to include bleeds, these are the settings that you would use for your top, bottom, inside, and outside pages. You'll also notice that for your bleed option, it isn't considered left and right. It's considered the inside and the outside of the page, and that's because it's a facing page. If we turn this off, you'll see that it's actually changed from inside and outside to left and right. But let's make sure that's kept on. Okay, and for this document as well, I am not going to include a slug, but this would be where you'd put any information for your printer. I can also preview this if I move my document over, and actually what I'll be interested in seeing is seeing how it lines up in my pages panel. And it looks good, so I am just going to create. And here we have our multi-page InDesign document to start our book.